Hey guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix switch to Instagram Lite error with easy steps. But before we start, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all the upcoming videos, and let's dive in. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Instagram. Just tap and hold on the icon and click on uninstall. Then confirm the uninstallation by clicking OK. And now your Instagram is gone. All we need to do now is to go for Google Chrome or any web browser you use, it doesn't matter, and type in the search Instagram APK. Click on the first result, it will be APK viewer site, and click on download APK. We will download older version from this app. So click on it, and then close this ad, and then click again download app. Here you will find under the Instagram icon a blue text says old versions. Click on old versions and then download any one from them. Let's try this one. So close the ad and click on download. After that, go to your internal storage and go then downloads and click on Instagram APK. The version we have just downloaded. Click on it and then click install. After the installation completed, your problem will be fixed. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all the upcoming videos. And goodbye.